Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's jam-packed Spotlight Assembly. My name is Tanvi, and welcome to JAX.
Hi everyone, before we start, I'd like to remind you about personal goals during assembly times. Please make sure you are listening carefully. This shows that you're being a respectful pangolins.
Last week, we had so many family Hari Raya videos that we missed them out. So here is Arab, who has some interesting historical facts about Ramadan.
This Ramadan I did not fast, but I went to mosque a few times to join the night prayer called Tarawih, in which Muslims stand and listen to the recitation of Quran every night. Do you know that Quran was revealed 1400 years ago in the month of Ramadan? Bye!
Thanks Arab. Now it's over to Ira, who would like to tell us about Eid in Pakistan.
In Pakistan, on the morning of Eid Day, Muslims gather in the big open field or in the mosque as a community. And after a short prayer or worship, you can hear the sound of cheerful greetings everywhere. Everyone wears the best clothes he has, and children get money from adults. All day long among relatives, neighbors, and friends. Whole day goes by in greeting, meeting, and eating with people. Bye.
Thanks, Ira. It sounds like a great experience. Now it's over to Safrina, who will tell us why Muslims fast during the month of Ramadan.
I'm going to talk about why us Muslims fast and what we do in Ramadan and how we celebrate Hari Raya. So basically, we fast because we want to know how it feels like to be a homeless person, and we would be more grateful and appreciative for the food we have, the drinks, and everything that we have, and we would give to charity. So basically, we wake up in the morning at 5 a.m. or 4 a.m. It depends where you are, and then it will end at 6 or 7. Again, it depends where you are, 6 or 7 p.m. And once you break your fast, you eat, and after that you would pray. And also, most of us read the Quran so we could get more deeds. And in Ramadan, if you read the Quran, pray and stuff, I'm pretty sure you get a lot of rewards for that. And as well as how we celebrate Hari Raya, we would basically dress up in our traditional clothes, cook delicious food like ketupat, daging hitam. I'm not sure if that's a traditional food, but my family always cooks that. So yeah, a lot of things like that, and we would give money just like the Chinese New Year, Hong Pao, whatever it's called. We just give money to children and elders. So we would ask for forgiveness to the elders. So I would ask forgiveness to my parents and my grandparents and all that. So, and then they would give me money, and then it's optional to take photos, but I'm pretty sure most family takes photos. And my Hari Raya was great. I played fireworks as well. I got a chance to meet my grandparents and my family during this Hari Raya. So my Hari Raya was great, and basically I ate delicious food, got some money, asked for forgiveness, and we played fireworks. Most of us played fireworks as well, so it was really fun. I enjoyed my Hari Raya, and that's how I celebrate it. I'm not sure if that's how everyone celebrates it, but this is the typical stereotype. So thank you for listening to me, and I hope you understand about us Muslims fasting and what we do during Ramadan and about Hari Raya. So I hope you understand more about all of that, and Thank you for listening. Bye!
Thanks, Afrina. I think a lot of people have made some good learning today. Now it's time for some other learning. Year 4 have been finding about natural disasters in the Active Planet unit. Take it away, Year 4.
Going to be my IPC video. Excuse my drawing and the background noise. I am not that good at drawing, but let's move on to my picture. So again, not good at drawing. So this was made by pastel markers. This is a hurricane drawn by the angry clouds. See, there's been too much sunlight and now it's raining and lightning. And they're angry because they didn't get enough time to pour rain. And now they made a hurricane. So this is the nurse and a kid with an umbrella, and two kids, I guess, crying in the grass. And this is the relief center. It's called HRC, stands for the Hurricane Relief Center. So this is the bathroom and the shower. Oh, and it's hurricane proof, which it's a little futuristic, but hey. And then here's the dining room with soup and water, and the clothes donate, which has lots of clothes for those unfortunate kids. And this is their beds. Okay, so I really like the angry clouds. So this might be a little futuristic, but this is a hurricane-proof shield. This is my drawing. And yeah, that's all. Bye.
I'm going to talk to you about Mount Nyiragongo, which is an active volcano in Eastern Democratic Republic of Congo, or DRC. DRC borders Rwanda, where I used to live before I came to Malaysia. Mount Nyiragongo is one of the world's most active and most dangerous volcanoes. It is a stratovolcano, which is a tall, conical volcano built up by many layers of hardened lava, tephra, pumice, and volcanic ash. Stratovolcanoes have steep slopes and explosive eruptions. Nyiragongo has special lava that is low in silica, so flows much faster than normal lava. The town of Goma sits at the bottom of the volcano, and nearly 2 million people live in the surrounding area. My friend is from this area and gave me this piece of Nyiragongo lava rock. So why am I talking about Nyiragongo? Well, on Saturday, 22nd May 2021, Nyiragongo erupted. Thousands of people fled to Rwanda as the lava sped towards Goma. Not only that, but it also made earthquakes that my friends say they could feel in Kigali, where I used to live. The good news is that the Rwandan government and other organizations are helping people. Here are some logos of the organizations that are helping on the next slide. Here are some of the logos of the organizations that are helping. The Government of Rwanda, UNHCR, Chance for Childhood, and the International Committee Red Cross.
Well done, Year 4. I really enjoyed that unit when I was studying it. Now it's time to see some innovative designs from Year 6. We could either make shoes from cardboard or paper aeroplanes. Take it away, Year 6.
These are the shoes that I made, and now I am going to test them. From here to there, it is 10 meters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it didn't fall off. Success. These are my shoes. This is my second experiment. I am going to test these shoes on grass. So from this lamp post to there, it is 10 meters. So this kind of ripped, but it still didn't fall off and nothing broke. So I think it's a success.
This is my airplane Malaysia. Let's hope it goes far. It landed pretty far.
Go. Oof, nice one.
Okay, let's go. Take your airplane back to your secret lab. Place it on your little table. Oh, sit on your table. Welcome to.
So, this is the first paper airplane. 3, 2, 1.
Thanks, U6. Now on to some birthday celebrations last week. We had JD, Guyan, and Yuma's birthday, who are all in year 5. Happy birthday, guys.
And this week we have Amy in our years 2 and Akira in year 6. We hope you had a great birthday.
Hello everyone, my name is Ira and today I'm going to be talking about the Mimaland, the first theme park in Malaysia. So first off, Mimaland is a theme park. It was built in 1971 and the owner was Mimaland Berhad. The name Mimaland was from, Mimaland Berhad thought of the name Mimaland because they thought it could be like a mini land, so they called it Mimaland. And you might be wondering, why did Mimaland temporarily close in 1993? Well, that is because in 1993, shockingly, a 27-year-old Singaporean tourist went on a water slide in Mimaland and killed him, which made Mimaland close the park temporarily. So yeah, bye-bye! 1. Shake hands. 2. Faire la bise. 3. Simply say bonjour. 1. A handshake along with a nod of the head. 2. Kissing someone on the cheek 3 times. 3. You take both hands out your pocket when you shake someone's hand.
That was great. I love learning about treasure. Now we have a message from Mr. Rob to remind us about yearbook photos.
Hello there, Nexus. How are you? You've probably already seen the email about the yearbook. We are going to be doing it online this year and we need your help. Please can you make sure that you've taken your smiling passport photo. Here is an example from Elias in Year 5. Perfect head, shoulders and a smile. If you haven't done so, please ask your parents today to try and get it done and email it to your teacher. Thanks very much, Nexus. Oh, and one more thing. Don't forget to wear your uniform.
Thanks, Mr. Rob. To finish today's assembly, we have a message from Miss Claire. Bye, everyone.
Hello everyone, and I hope that you enjoyed our Spotlight on Learning Assembly. Thank you so much to our wonderful Year 6 presenters. And I'm recording this little section on Wednesday, on Wesak Day, from my home, and I'd like to say Happy Wesak Day to all of our Buddhist friends out there who are celebrating today and celebrating the birth, enlightenment and death of Buddha. Thank you very much to the families and the children who recorded videos to explain about Eid and about the importance of the celebration and how you celebrate Eid in your home country. As an internationally minded school, it's so important and so interesting to learn about everybody's different celebrations and to really share the joy for our friends in those celebrations. We're very, very lucky to be in Malaysia and be able to join in so many rich and very important cultural and religious celebrations with our friends. So a couple of messages, exciting messages for next week. We aren't coming to school, back into school just yet, but we'd love for you to get involved with some more after school social activities. So between now and when school does open again, on a Thursday at 3:15, we have a special social club for each milepost. Okay, it's just going to be a short session, 15 or 20 minutes, because we don't want you on your device for too long, but it's an opportunity for you to mix and make new friends in your milepost. So on your daily menu, your teachers will include next Thursday the Google Meet vote code for your social club. So there'll be one for Milepost 3, year 5 and 6, one for Milepost 2, and one for early years and Milepost 1. For Milepost 2 and 3, the idea is that you come along to the club with a joke or a riddle, and there will be a different teacher each week, so that's quite exciting. You'll get to see different teachers as well. For Milepost 1 and early years, we are inviting you to come along and listen to a story read by a different teacher each week, and then you'll be able to have a little chat about the story. So we'll look forward to seeing you then. In addition to that, if we've got any budding news reporters out there, on a Tuesday at 3:30 till 4:15 every Tuesday, starting this next Tuesday, I'm going to run a news reporting club where we're going to create our own digital version of a newspaper for Nexus. So I've got about 15 spaces, and it's just for year 4, 5 and 6 learners for now. Okay, so if you feel you are dedicated and have a passion for news stories and you really want to be part of this club, I've got different roles for people depending on what you're interested in, then do email me and let me know, okay, as soon as you can, because we only have so many spaces. Okay, so that's year 4, 5 and 6. Okay, everybody, thank you for watching and have a wonderful and relaxing weekend. See you online next week.